The Turritopsis dohrnii, or Immortal Jellyfish, is the only known animal that can live forever. The question is, how? And is there anything we can learn from this jellyfish to extend our lifespans? The species is believed to have begun in the Pacific Ocean, but has since expanded all over the world through transarctic migration. It is now found worldwide in all temperate and tropic waters. When born, the immortal jellyfish is around 1 mm in diameter and has 8 evenly spread tentacles, before growing to a maximum size of 4.5 mm in diameter with 80 to 90 tentacles. So how is this jellyfish immortal? Firstly, we need to consider the life cycle of this jellyfish. Life begins as eggs in the gonads of a female medusa which are in the stomach of the jellyfish. Eggs are then released and fertilised before developing into planular larvae which fall and settle on the sea floor. These then develop into polyp colonies which release new jellyfish to feed on plankton until they become sexually mature. This is after a few weeks dependent on the temperature. Now, usually this is where an animal would reproduce, live its life and then die. However, as you would guess by the name, this is not the case in the immortal jellyfish. Under conditions such as starvation, sudden temperature change, damage to the bell, or reduction of salinity, these jellyfish can turn back into the polyp state. In most cases, this will involve going through a cyst-like stage, where the bell deteriorates, followed by the tentacles, before turning back into stolons and polyps. This can happen with jellyfish of all ages. However, in those that are mature, 20 to 40% will not go through this cyst stage, instead just reverting straight to the polyp stage. These will then begin their lives once again from the stage, and can theoretically continue this for the rest of time, giving them the name the immortal jellyfish. An easier example to grasp may be an egg, which develops to a chick and then a chicken, and then due to starvation reverts to an egg and starts its life cycle all over again. Important to note is these are called the immortal jellyfish and not the invincible jellyfish. Whilst they are theoretically immortal, these jellyfish will often be eaten by predators. The next question is, can we learn anything to expand our lifespans as humans? There is a surprisingly large amount of genetic similarity between jellyfish and humans. Apart from the fact we have 2 genome duplications, we look exactly like a jellyfish from a genetic viewpoint. Research has been conducted on microRNAs, which are in effect tiny strands of genetic material that act as on and off switches. These can determine the way stem cells differentiate. Scientists suspect that if these microRNAs are off, the cell can lose its identity and act chaotically. In other words, this cell can potentially be cancerous. These jellyfish are an ideal way to study these microRNAs as they're simple organisms, and these microRNAs are key to their biological development. This research could be pioneering in treating and stopping many types of cancers, as well as the potential for research towards developing human immortality. Do you think this jellyfish could help to improve the human lifespan? Let me know what you think below. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. I'm working hard at improving these videos and would appreciate any feedback. If you did enjoy this video and want more, please consider subscribing and checking out my previous videos.